Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another tutorial of PHP and MySQL for beginner series, and in this video we will be see that how to delete a record from MySQL using PHP programming language. In my PHP and MyAdmin section you can see that there are 6 records are available, and I want to delete the third record, which is Mohsin. So if I want to delete this, let's see how I can delete this. You have to open your project and create a new file, press Ctrl S save to name this file, and name this file delete.php. so save this file, and first of all you have to put PHP opening tag and PHP closing tag, and in this section you have to create your database connection. So go to delete.php and paste this line here. Now we have been created our database connection, and next line you have to type a query, $qd is equal to double quotation, and at last make sure to put semicolon. And now you can see that delete from students. You have students is our table name. You can see that in PHP MyAdmin students is our table name, and delete from students, and make sure to give the ID of your record. If you did not give ID and as well execute this query will delete all your records, maybe your 100 records or 1000 or 2000 records. So these all records were deleted. So make sure to put where statement where this ID is the name of our column. So make sure the spelling are in lowercase. So I also type the spelling in lowercase is equal to and the ID of my record is the ID of my targeted record is 3. So I will give this ID in this section 3, and yes, our query has been completed. Now I have to only run my query with MySQL query function. So we have to pass two parameters. First of all connection, and second our query parameter. So plus some semicolon, and now I will check with the if statement that if $run is equal to true, it means that if the record have been deleted, then what to do? Echo the record have been deleted successfully. The record has been deleted successfully. And else, I mean, if there is any error or if the record did not delete, then you have to echo that operation failed. Press Ctrl S save and open your browser, and now we have to open this delete.php file. This is the update.php file. So you have to remove this file and type here delete.php. So you can see that the record has been deleted successfully, and we have to go to my PHP MyAdmin. You can see that this record is available because we did not refresh our page. When we refresh our page, let's see what happened. You can see that record number 3 have been deleted. So we have been successfully deleted our record from our MySQL table. So I hope that you will must understand this tutorial, and if you have any question about this tutorial, you can ask us in the comment section or directly WhatsApp us, and share this video with your those friends who want to learn PHP from 0 to advanced level. And finally, thanks for watching.